the light. There you go. Give me a second, everybody. Alright, yeah, I'm late again. All good, so J4X, it's working, open. J4X 4 charts. And classes, there you go, classes, open. Give it a second. And tomorrow, everybody, we're going to have 1 hour later, alright? I have a meeting in this hour, I'm sorry. Alright, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is Mike, the FX boss. Welcome to the technical Forex and crypto technical, okay, trading course 101. Never forget, trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way. My goal is to bring you from zero to a millionaire trader, talking to beginner traders in 3 years on average, alright, in an institutional way. What is the institutional way? You are first an analyst, not a trader yet, and then you grow into a trader, right? If you want the free ebook, everybody, the little book of trading secrets with this beautiful guy. Alright, this beautiful guy, please visit fxbossfx.com. Alright, a pop-up is going to appear so you can download for free. Never forget, you're going to graduate from this course when number 1, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Hedge fund trader Sam, hedge fund trader Douglas, hedge fund trader Mo, and everybody else, are you building your charts? Number 2, you have a strategy in place, you understand why you win and why you lose. And you're going to build number 2 from number 3, which is you have a complete understanding of how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Alright? And today we have pivot points in extensions and retracements. Okay, read disclaimer, this stream is not trading or investment advice, we are here to learn. And for homeworks, or questions, you have my Gmail, and if you didn't receive the free manual, everybody, free manual, which is this one, please send an email to, you can download it, it's for free, download it, print it out, study it, send me an email to mikefxboss@gmail.com. And for extra webinars, seminars, courses, we are using Skype and Zoom. Talking about, we have 1 week and a half to go, everybody. FX Boss courses and workshops. October 5th, it's going to be Saturday, 2:30 p.m. we have a workshop for 2 weeks, how to build a trading system that makes money. Alright? I guarantee you can call me out, you have the recording, alright? If you are going to do what I'm telling you to do, chew the teeth, not to invent you hot water, your trading system is going to make money, alright? The cost is $500, and Dukascopy clients, you have 30% off. If you are from Nigeria, Africa, Brazil, Thailand, Philippines, send me an email, you have a different cost. Okay, that being said, everybody, let's go to the charts and pivot points in extensions and retracements. So type in the chat, everybody, a currency pair that you want to check. First comes, first is served. And this was from yesterday, right? We have the monthly Euro GBP, right? Let's see, Euro GBP, let's go to the daily. So this market is still down, right? Not an entry yet. We are going to buy, but not yet. So today we have pivot points in, good morning to you, pivot points in extensions and retracements. Okay, so F11. And yes, you can ask any currency pair, any time frames, alright? So I'm going to, let's go to what? Let's go to everybody NZD USD, all right? Just aleatory, you know. Yes, those concepts work on all time frames. Okay, all currency pairs. We're talking about the 27 major. Okay, not the majors, not the dollar, but we're also not talking. That's the system. Give it a second. Give it a second. Give it a second. Open, and so this is the system and NZD USD strategy, right? NZD USD. Boss, what is the lower indicator? It's called KDJ. Okay? I'm having super trend on the left, KDJ on the lower, and then I have Heikin-Ashi smooth, moving average crossover 8 and 21, and KDJ on the lower. Okay? Boss, are you trading this system? No, I'm using the system to manage my trades, but I'm trading predominantly the Fibonacci's. Okay, why is that? Because Fibonacci as a tradable pattern has a statistical edge, meaning it wins 7 times out of 10. All right, everybody, that's the why. Fibonacci on the daily chart, statistically proven, no doubt, it wins 7 times out of 10. 3 times is going to lose. Okay, now how beautiful is this, huh, everybody? So I'm going to get rid of the Fibonacci's so you can see how many times we won. Now this is the market wave on the, let's go step by step, right? This is the market wave on the NZD USD daily chart. Okay, I'm going to color code it in yellow. Try to learn the concept, everybody. Try to understand how this market works, all right? So, do we agree that back in time, that you don't see the future, do we agree that the market broke the uptrend line? So the market back in time was like this, agreed? Type in the chat, yes, I agree. Type in the chat, no, I don't agree, you are wrong. You know, do we agree that the market broke the uptrend line on NZD USD daily chart back in time? Do we also agree that if I would chart from back in time, not to go to the monthly band, but just quickly, if I would chart something like this, do we agree, everybody, that the market broke the uptrend line in here? And do we agree, this is the skill, that if I chart extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, give me a second, retracement, extension, do we agree that NZD USD on the daily chart, we were in a down market wave? Do we agree on this one? Boss, how do you know? It's always the same. Try to find a change in the short-term trend. Okay? And when you have multiple changes, when you have trends inside trends, if you chart in the correct way, you are going to find relevant high, relevant low, relevant lower high, relevant lower low, relevant lower high, relevant lower low, relevant lower high, relevant lower low. Boss, what are relevant highs and lows? Relevant highs and lows are borderlines between extensions and retracements. So a relevant high is where the market hit a level and then never turned back. Make sense, everybody? Sometimes we have trends inside trends, but the relevant high in this example, we have two criteria. Number one, it's a lower high compared to the previous one, and then the market never came back to this level, meaning it confirmed a new low. Does this make sense? All right. So if we agree that this is the down market wave, all right? So we're talking about charting right now. And then do we agree if I put this down trend line? So this is not valid anymore. I'm going to delete it. And if I put this down trend line, do we agree that this down trend line is monitoring the down market wave? Do we agree? We've learned about trend lines already. The question is, everybody, are you charting? Are you practicing? Are you studying the charts? Okay, now, do we agree that the market broke the down market wave when it made the first higher high, the relevant high? The relevant high. Give me a second. You are going to laugh how easy it is to... I don't want to be arrogant and I don't want to give you the impression that it's easy, because it's not. But you are going to laugh how easy it is to predict reversals to a degree. Okay, fair enough? So do we agree that this high is higher than this high on the left? And if the answer is yes, then we can see that, oh, this is the first up extension leg. Does this make sense? Student traders on YouTube, talk to me. On the other streaming platforms, they're more active, you know? Oh, but I'm on YouTube, doesn't matter, we're here to learn. I put my face on, so... Do we agree, everybody, that this is then the market broke the relevant high, then this is now the first extension leg, up extension leg? Do we agree? Boss, but it didn't broke the trend line. It doesn't have to. Everybody, trend theory or market wave theory, when the market makes a higher high on the relevant previous high, then this downtrend or this down market wave, it's broken. Oh yes, but period, end of story. Period, end of story. Don't try to invent hot water, alright? Period, end of story. Somebody was asking on the other streaming platform, not YouTube, oh, but it didn't break the downtrend. You have no such rule. Hello Date, how are you? Okay, so we are in an up extension leg. Now, what is going to happen? So I'm going to delete this one. Now let's go and micromanage. Meaning, let's pay attention to the highs and the lows, right? So the market made a higher high up in here. Hedge fund trader Date, what are we expecting now? Everybody, what are we expecting? You are going to laugh how easy it is to, again, I'm not bragging and I not want to give you the impression that it's easy, because it's not. But you are going to laugh how easy it is to predict price action, alright? So if this is the first extension leg, what are we expecting? Should we just buy and go long? if this is the first extension leg, we are expecting a reversal, a higher low, exactly. So we are expecting the market to, so this was higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now we're expecting the market to fall down, agreed? Now, is it buying up in here wrong? It's not wrong in terms of wrong, but it's high risk. So if you continue to buy the uptrend, knowing that a retracement must come, risk less. Does this make sense? Okay, or you know that a retracement must come. Now we have pivot points in between, don't we? We have this pivot area, it's not aligned to the pip. We have this pivot area and we have this pivot point area, don't we? Those concepts apply on all time frame, yes sir. Okay, so let's say that I'm scared and I don't want to trade retracements. Okay, let's say that I want to buy an extension, all right? So I'm going to monitor the daily chart, and I'm going to monitor the daily chart, and I'm going to monitor the daily chart. I'm going to monitor the daily chart. So we are still in an up market wave. See, the market didn't make lower low or high. All right, the market still going up and up and up. All right, still up, going up, still up. Now it broke the downtrend line, and I'm waiting and I'm waiting and I'm okay. All right, so need to delete this one. So all of this, no, we are not waiting for the daily chart. Don't worry, it's just an example. The same works on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, right? Okay, so the market extended up to here. Now, do we agree that the market, it started retracing, it's making lower lows, lower highs? Do we agree? Everybody? And to spot a reversal, we can use, we've learned trend line. So uptrend line, let's color code it in blue maybe, you know, blue, uptrend line, make it bigger. Okay, so I'm going to delete the downtrend line, not relevant anymore. I'm going to even delete the previous down market wave, out, not relevant anymore. So we have a few levels of pivot points, right? Pivot point area here from the monthly chart, yes sir, pivot point area in here, pivot point area in here, agreed? So what can I expect? What can me and hedge fund trader date expect as a good, maybe not the best, but as a good analyst who wins 60% of the time, not to be arrogant, right? Me and Dade, we win every week from Monday to Friday, every week, after week, after week, after week. Me and Dade, we are correct on the direction 60% of the time. We are not the best analysts, not a trader yet. Forex course 101, you're an analyst. But we are correct 60% of the time on the direction. Alright, so if we trade 10 currency pairs, 4 pairs we are going to lose, me and Date, but we are going to win 6 out of 10. Can we make money? You're not a trader yet, you're an analyst trying to understand how this market works, to enter in the correct way, not to enter against the market. What do you think? What can we predict, everybody? So this is the first extension leg, right? The yellow. Now the retracement started, agreed? The retracement started. Okay? Now try to get everybody, being a trader, you're not a trader, being a trader, it's a lot of mindset, make sense? It's how you think. Okay, there is no right or wrong on the direction, there is no right or wrong on strategies, there is no right or wrong on systems. Take what you like, throw out what you don't like. So what is the mindset of an analyst? This is what we're trying to understand. Say it with me. I don't know what is going to happen, but I do know where most likely it is going to happen. Fair enough? Would this be okay to think like this? So the retracement started, I'm not speculating. I can see lower lows, lower highs. A retracement started. Now I don't know how the retracement is going to end, but I know where. Okay, so where, boss, where? At the pivot point area, right? Now, if you want to trade the market wave or the shortened trend, that's up to you. Okay, so me and Dade, we are going to expect the market to reverse at the first pivot point, or the second pivot point, or the third pivot point, or the fourth, or at the fifth. Does this make sense? Okay, and let's see let's see how smart Dade is. Everybody help out Dade on YouTube. When the market comes to some pivot point area, are we going to just buy blindly, or do we need to wait for something? Dade, what do you think? The market is going to hit, I don't know, the market is going to hit the first level, second level, third, fourth, fifth level. When the market gets to the level, the area, are we just going to buy blindly, or we need to wait? And I'm going to help everybody. We are in the module from the manual. We are in the module called Timing and Retracement Trading. Alright, Timing and Retracement Trading. Boss, can you trade retracements? Yes, but this is let's go step by step, alright? Let's first try to understand how this market works and how pivot points can help us predict, to a degree, not 100%, but to predict most likely, what can happen, what is going to happen. Yes, setup, it's according to your strategy. Everybody, what should we wait for? Should we just blindly buy? Like in here, right? The market, it's almost at the pivot point. Okay. Let's make a poll. Who in here wants to buy this market right now? The same works on the 15-minute chart, 1-hour chart, 2-hour chart, 4-hour chart, daily, monthly, weekly. We have an up extension, like the market's making lower lows, lower highs. We are in a retracement. At the pivot point area, should we just blindly buy? Yes, a shift in character of a lower time frame, maybe 4 hour. No. Wrong. No. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Okay. Everybody, let's help Dade. Let's help Dade out. We are waiting for a change in the short-term trend, not on the smaller time frame, okay, but on the same time frame. All right, everybody. Everybody, listen to me. If you are thinking anything else, you are going to lose, I promise you. Okay? Go into the lower time frames. It's wrong. You've learned wrong. I'm not arrogant. This is common sense. Make sense? When you have a downtrend on the daily, and you see higher high, higher low on the 1-hour chart, 2-hour chart, 4-hour chart, you are trading a retracement of this downtrend. Does this make sense? This is pure logic. Okay? Everybody listen to me. I'm sorry I'm going to hurt some of you. Smart money concepts, they don't work. It's a hoax. You are going to lose money. Don't fall for those guys. Risk reward ratio 1:70. Okay. Smart money concepts. I need to find a trader who is consistently profitable. I called some guys out too. Nobody's profitable consistently. Okay? Nothing against the methodology, but people are trying to invent hot water. Make sense? These markets are working with the same principle for 200 years. There is no hot water to invent. Does this make sense? If you are looking for the holy grail strategy or something, it doesn't exist. You are going to remember me. Mike told me, you are wasting time and money. There is nothing new to learn. Okay? Oh, there is this methodology. Oh, there is the golden unicorn. Doesn't work, doesn't work, doesn't work. Okay? So we are going to wait. Boss, I disagree with you. It's alright. You can disagree. It's all good. Okay? But be honest with everybody. Come back in 2 years, 3 years and tell us, I became a millionaire. I challenge you. Alright? I challenge you openly. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. But I challenge everybody who disagrees. Alright? Now, we need to wait for the change in the shortened trend, not on the smaller time frame, but on the higher time frame. Alright? Meaning not on the, if I'm on the daily, not on the 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, 4 hour chart, but on the daily. Okay? Boss, why is that? Because I am trading the daily. Just an example. So the trading time frame must change the short-term trend because the trading time frame is where I'm charting. Does this make sense? The market wave? Alright everybody, so we're going to monitor the market, monitor the market, monitor the market, and the market is going up and up and up. And do we have a higher high in here? Is this a higher high? Is this a higher high? Yes, it is, right? So if this is the first extension leg of the uptrend, should we just buy or should we wait? See everybody, the market wave and the shortened trends, they work in the same way. Make sense? Boss, we need to wait for a retracement. Exactly, we're going to wait for a retracement on the red. Okay, and then we are going to buy. Make sense? So let's see how this is going to go. And the market is moving still up, consolidation. Finally the market is down. See everybody, this is going to save you not to have losers and not to enter prematurely. The market made a higher high, but then the retracement never ended on the shortened trend, right? So we are expecting this to enter long, but the market says to us, no, we are going to a deeper retracement. Okay, so we have no entry and we are waiting, we're monitoring again, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, monitoring the market, lower lows, lower highs, bam, finally again. So lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, bam, right? Strangely enough, this reversal happened at exactly at the pivot point, right? Everybody, do we have, so the market made a higher high in here, didn't work out. Do we have another higher high on the short-term trend right now? Yes, we do, right? So what are we going to do? Same story. This is a mindset. I'm going to wait for a retracement on the same time frame, not the lower time frame. I'm going to wait for a retracement and I'm going to enter with the counter trendline break example, right? So I'm expecting a retracement and the market is retracing right now, right? It's retracing, almost stopped us out, and now here is the entry. Okay, see everybody, do we agree that the market broke the counter trend line? Do we agree? Now, strategy, it's up to you. Everybody, it's up to you. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit to see the market wave. Give me a second. All right. Now, when this happens, it's up to you to put the stop loss below the short-term trend low, this one, or if you want to be safe in terms of not guarantee, not better chance, but in terms of there is less chance of the market stopping you out, you can put the stop loss below the market wave, right? Okay, everybody? And you are going to graduate from this course when you have your strategy in place. You understand how probabilistic thinking affects your strategy. So you must decide, everybody, try to make a decision consciously. Do you prefer to trade short-term trends on any time frame, 2 hour, 4 hour, 15 minute, or do you prefer to trade the market wave? Okay, and there is no right or wrong. So, do you want to trade the short-term trend, or do you want to trade or hedge fund trader Sam Douglas, or do you want to trade the yellow market wave? Which one do you want, everybody? Okay, so let's say that trader number one is going to trade the trader number one, not a trader yet, you're an analyst, so trader number one is going to trade the short-term trend, and trader number two is going to trade the market wave, all right? Let's see how this is going to play out. Let's zoom in. Okay. So the market made a hard high. Now, what can I expect? I'm going to expect the market to retrace, especially at the pivot point. This is the first extension leg on the red. I'm going to expect the market to fall, and then I'm going to buy this market with a counter trendline break. Just an example. So let's see. The market's going down. Almost took us out. Bam, this is the entry. All right, and let's see, right? So the first is a short-term trend, risk-reward ratio. If I'm going to risk €1, $1, 1 Bitcoin, give me a second, everybody. Give me a second. There you go. So the market's going up and it's retracing, going down, further down, almost top us out, retracing at the pivot point again, bam, short-term trend lost. Okay, so this was another time, then this relevant high didn't work, so this becomes now the relevant high, and we need to readjust the short-term trend. So out, didn't work, we have a loss. But the trader number two with the stop loss at the market wave still in place. Okay, so this didn't work out. Now what can we expect? The market should fall to the next level of the pivot point, agreed? So we're monitoring the market, monitoring the market, monitoring the market. See, it went to this level, right? So the short-term trend, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. Okay, now what's different? This becomes the relevant high. Okay, everybody? Now, what can we predict? I'm going to say, well, or the market is going to break this high and I'm going to enter long, I'm going to buy, or I'm going to wait for the market to come down to the next level of pivot point, right? So let's see what is going to happen, and bam again. The market made a higher high, counter trendline break on the retracement. Okay, trader number one is going to enter again. This is where most beginner traders, we get scared, right? We don't enter, oh, I lost 2 times. Keep doing, keep performing, follow the rules and the concepts. All right? And now this is going to be the stop loss of trader number one. We're going to risk reward ratio 1/2. All right, give me a sec. Whoops. All right, left click, right click, clone. And trader number one lost again, you know, and we need to redo. Boss, we're losing. Trader number 2 is still in place. He didn't lost yet. All right, everybody? You need to see this before you say, oh, I'm going to trade the short-term trends. Fair enough? There is no right or wrong. You are just doing what you're supposed to do. So trader number 2 has 2 losers. And now this becomes the relevant high, everybody. And we're going to wait and wait and wait and wait. And we have new highs. So extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. All right, and bam, now we have another high, high. So can you see how deep was this retracement on the market wave? Look at this retracement. Deep, deep, deep retracement on the market wave, right? So if I'm trading the market wave, I'm still safe, almost stopped me out, right? Trading the short-term uptrend, I lost 2 times. And now the 3rd time, when the market makes a hard high again, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to wait for a retracement. I'm going to wait for a retracement and counter trendline break. All right. Boss, so trading the market wave is better. Not better, it's different in terms of action, risk reward ratio, right? You need to do this exercise, everybody, and trade. This is the difference. If I'm trader number 1 and I'm going long on the short-term trade, short-term trend, now this is my stop loss. And I want to make 2, right? Again, clone and clone. All right. In between, if I'm going long on the market wave, this trader number 2 entered here. He is still safe. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. But look how much the market must go to make him 2/1 risk reward ratio. Can you see the difference, everybody? And not to talk about that the market going against us, it's emotionally drowning. All right, we get frustrated, you know. So there is no right or wrong, there is no better or worse, simply different. You are trading different patterns, exactly. Okay, so let's see how this is going to go. And now we are here right now. And this is NZD/USD daily chart. Okay? Can you see? So what's the lesson today, everybody? The lesson is, can you see how extensions and support on the yellow works, and how extension and support on the down market trend, downtrend? Can you see when those changes? We don't have time today, we're going to talk about this tomorrow. You know, we were buying the up extension, everybody, at the pivot points, lost 2 times, now we are in the third trade. Tomorrow we're going to talk about where to enter to shorting the market, right? But can you see where the market retraces? You know? Boss, can you just quickly? All right, let's see if we can make it, everybody. So, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement. All right. If I would short the short-term downtrend, which I can, right? Some of you are retracement traders or trading retracements, which is super cool. Did the market or didn't the market end the retracement, end of retracement number 1, end of retracement number 2, end of retracement number 3? So let's circle this in black. Give me a second, everybody. So end of retracement number 1, end of retracement number 2, end of retracement number 3, end of retracement number 4, end of retracement number 5. Did this market, if we would short now, boss, it's a lot of information, I know, download the video, rewatch it a few times. Did the market or didn't the market provide us end of retracements at pivot points? Yes or no? Everybody? Yes or no? What do you think? What can you see? This is just an example. Boss, what do you have against smart money concepts? Everybody, I don't have anything against, alright? I don't care, you know, it's a methodology, okay? Fair enough? But it doesn't work. Make sense? Do you want me to be more humble? In my opinion, okay? In my opinion, but I'm telling you, 5 years I've been calling out the smart money concept guys, the teachers, the professors, like, alright, I'm open, show me the numbers that you are consistently profitable, hide the money in my FX book, I don't care, show me the numbers. Okay, not even one appeared. You know, they replied, oh, who are you? Why do you need to know? You know, why should I prove to you? Make sense? And I'm telling you, if you are a beginner trader or intermediate trader, don't try to understand something. The financial markets are not new. You are new to the game. The financial markets, the stock market, crypto, it's new, right? But the stock market been around for 200 years, for God's sakes. There is nothing new, okay? There are the rules and the concepts about how this works, okay? And it's not your fault. Pat yourself on the back. It's a lot of marketing. Oh, new strategy, 90% winning rate. Those guys are selling you. Make sense? Buy my course, buy my robot, buy my expert advisor, buy my signal service. Okay? It doesn't work so far. I'm humble enough to, I don't know everybody, fair enough. But I'm telling you, in 5 years, not even one showed consistent profits. Okay, I'm trying to help you, you know, but personally, I don't have anything. You know, I have people trading the super unicorn turbo 10x strategy. Trade it. I don't have anything against. But unless you have numbers that you are 6 months profitable consistently or a year, you know, then how is the conversation going to go? Fair enough? Everybody stay strong and think like a boss. See, you're not thinking like a boss, believing everybody. Think like a boss because you are the boss of your account, you know? And when you are not profitable for 2 years, 3 years, don't blame the methodologies. You are responsible. Make sense? Alright, everybody, see you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and